The handheld steam cleaner model XZY123 impressively reaches a high temperature of 230 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 seconds, making it ideal for tackling stubborn stains and greasy dirt without the need for chemicals. Featuring a 3-level adjustable steam intensity, this handheld steam cleaner ensures you can tailor the cleaning power to suit different surfaces, enhancing its versatility around the home. With a generous 1.6-quart water tank, the steam cleaner allows for up to 60 minutes of continuous use, minimizing the frequency of refills during cleaning sessions. Constructed with high-quality ABS material, the steam cleaner is designed for durability and heat resistance, while its thick steam hose enhances output strength for effective cleaning. Equipped with a 78-inch power cord and an equally long steam hose, this steam cleaner provides ample reach, making it easy to clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. The steam cleaner comes with a comprehensive set of 18 accessories, including brushes and nozzles, ensuring you have the right tool for every cleaning task, from upholstery to tile grout.